Hey everybody, Young Flux back for another SBO video. Today we're going to be working on our Young Flux website, and we're going to be working on our homepage mainly. So if you haven't seen any of the previous videos of the series, be sure to check those out and learn how to set up a WordPress website. So the first thing we're going to do, if we're working from the top down, is edit this slider here. Alright, so in order to edit this slider, we're going to go to the top bar here and we're going to click Edit Page. Once everything loads up here, we need to find out where the header media is coming from. So we can see here that there's a little play button. That indicates that our video that's playing in the slider is coming from right there. So it's set to the background of this section here. So we're going to find out where to edit this section. So in order to edit this row, we're going to click on this little pencil tool right here. We're going to navigate over to the Style tab and find Background Media. So on the background media, we're going to delete the media that's currently there. We're going to add our own media. We're going to hit Upload Files, and we're going to hit Select Files, and from here we're going to upload either the photo or the video that we want to use for the background of our slider. Alright, once we've uploaded the video or the photo for our background, we're going to click on Save Changes, and then in the top right we're going to click Preview Changes, and that'll let us see and make sure that everything went through and that it looks good to you. Alright, so once the page loads up here, you can see that the video successfully loads and it's starting to look pretty good, and you can see that the site is definitely starting to come along here finally. So what we're going to do now is change the text. So in order to change the text, it's going to be in the same place that we just changed our image. So we're going to go back to Edit Page, we're going to click on this heading here, and we're going to edit the heading. Keep in mind this is very specific to the Uncode theme that I'm using. If you're using a different theme, it's probably going to be similar, but it's going to be a bit different. However, again, any theme that comes with this WP Bakery page builder, which is a very common page builder to find in WordPress themes, especially nowadays, it is most likely going to have it. If you do have this plugin, it's most likely going to look pretty much the same as this. So, alright, so the text here is embedded in this HTML code, so I'm just going to edit the message here and I'm going to keep it inside the HTML code. Alright, so what I'm going to be using this text section for is basically to showcase what my latest song that's coming out is. So for me right now, the latest song that's come out is Drowning, so I'm just going to put Drowning out now. I'm going to click Save Changes, and just like last time, we're going to hit Preview Changes in the top right to make sure that we're happy with how it looks. Alright, there we go, Drowning out now, and if we hit this little play button here, it should pop up the video and we should be able to watch the whole video from there. As you can see, it looks like that video is a separate link, so we're going to go back to our page builder. It looks like it's this icon here, so we're going to edit the icon box. Alright, let's test this out. Click the icon. Alright, so once we're in the icon settings here, we're just going to go over to the General tab. We're going to find the icon media. We're going to click the plus button and choose the exact same video that we just uploaded as our background. We're going to click Save Changes. We're going to click Preview Changes and make sure we're happy again with how it looks. Alright, so it looks like the setting that was causing the media box to keep popping up was this one at the bottom here, that is the media light box. So if it has a default image or video in there, just make sure that you delete that, otherwise when you click on the URL here, it won't pop up. So once you do that, Preview Changes, it should look like this. I've also changed the icon color to black just to fit my site. You obviously don't have to do this. And if I click the link here, I'm just going to open it up in a new tab so you can see. You'll see that it does in fact open up to a new tab and it no longer opens up the media light box. So that's it guys, that's how I set up the slider for the website. As you can see, compared to a couple videos ago, this website is really coming along now. So in the next video, we're going to go through the rest of our homepage here, and I'm going to show you guys how to go about setting that up and some best practices for doing so. Thanks so much for watching guys, I appreciate the support you guys have been showing on the videos lately. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks again, have a good one.